Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn about Windows updates. So to go to Windows updates, you click go to settings over here and then you click Windows update. You can click that and also you'll go to this page, but the other way to go here is come over here, like here. So over here in this Windows update page, you can update your Windows device. And then you can see your updates that you can have here. And then you can check for updates, which is this button. And then you over here you can pause your updates. You can select for how long you want to pause it. And then if you pause it, you just click it. And then to unpause it, you click resume updates over here. So now over here there's update history, and then in this update history it'll show all the updates that you did before. And then most of the times it automatically updates the windows. And then there's the windows inside a program. So this the Windows inside a program will allow you to see glimpses of the future updates that's gonna come. So that's all about Windows Update.